So now moving on to the SAT practice test 6, module 2 of the reading and writing section. Question number 1. The works of Chicana artist Ester Hernandez are now blank in museums both in the United States and abroad. But the murals she contributed to as a member of Las Mujeres Muralistas early in her artistic career were displayed in outdoor public spaces across San Francisco. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Is it A. Invented, B. Adjusted, C. Featured, or D. Recommended? What we observe is that, but early in her career, the murals she made were displayed in outdoor public spaces. And now it looks like museums both in United States and abroad have her work being shown. So which should we choose? So if you said C, well done, that is the correct answer. Choice C is the best answer because it most logically completes the text discussion of Ester Hernandez's art. In this context, featured means, so what does this featured mean? It means shown prominently. The text focuses on where Hernandez's works have been and continue to be displayed, explaining that her early works, which consisted of murals, could be viewed in outdoor spaces in San Francisco. So the central contrast developed in the text is between where her early works could be viewed and where her works can be viewed now, which is in museums across the United States and around the world. That means she became so popular before from outdoor public spaces. Now her work is being displayed in museums both in the United States and abroad. So we have to use featured. So the context therefore supports the idea that Hernandez's works are now shown or featured in museums globally. A is incorrect because in this context, invented would mean created something for the first time, which isn't supported since the text doesn't discuss where Hernandez creates her work or whether they are original or innovative. And B, adjusted in this context would mean adapted. Although the text mentions that many of Hernandez's early works were outdoor murals, and thus it may be reasonable to infer that Hernandez altered her approach to creating art so that her works could be displayed in indoor venues. Instead, the text makes no mention of how Hernandez's works might have been adapted for such venues. So the text focuses on where Hernandez's works have been and continue to be displayed, not on how she or anyone else may have adapted or adjusted her works. And D, recommended, this is incorrect because recommended in this context would mean endorsed or put forth as a suggestion for something that is worth seeing. Although it may be reasonable to say that in choosing to display certain works, museum curators believe such works are worth seeing, the text doesn't discuss the reasons why museums display Hernandez's works. Instead, the text mainly develops a contrast between where Hernandez's early works could once be viewed and where her works can be viewed now.